This niche is blowing up right now on every platform. Today I will show you how to create these viral AI image story videos using AIcut. Creators are making thousands of dollars only by uploading these videos, and you can do this too. Why using AIcut? With AIcut, you save yourself a lot of time. You will be able to post multiple times daily because the video creation only costs you a few minutes. Your account will grow fast and everything is 100% original, so you don't need to care about your videos being flagged as unoriginal content. First, we will visit AIcut. If you don't have an account, just create one by signing up. Just click on Sign Up, enter your name and email, and choose a strong password. And then just click Create Account. If you have an account, open the website and go to AI Image Story. Here you need to put your script. The script is the most important part. You can make the script on your own, get stories from Reddit repos, create stories with ChatGPT, create similar stories from viral TikTok videos, or basically just get a generated story from the website. Just go to Generate Script. Choose your script type here. I will choose Scary. Then select the video length you want and the language. Now click Generate Script and wait a moment. Now you have your script. Down here, you can choose the language of the video. Then hand over to videos. Here you can choose the aspect ratio. If you want to create long YouTube videos, select 16:9. Here you can select the AI video mode. The Pro version will make the images turn to videos, which is much cooler, but this feature also costs much more tokens. Both modes will be demonstrated at the end of the video. Here you can choose if you want sound effects and visual effects. I will use them and I recommend you to use them as well. Now we got to the interest part. Here you need to choose your image style. You have multiple choices and it should fit your script. We will use cinematic. Now we will go to the caption settings. Every AI image story video needs a caption. These are must-haves. Viewers like it and it makes your video much better because without your video will be empty with only images. My favorites are the classic and the glove caption, but the others are lovely too. This part is also very important. Here you need to select the voice you want to use. You can use OpenAI voices or 11 Labs. I recommend using 11 Labs voices because they are much better than the OpenAI voices. You have a lot of options. There is a voice for every kind of story, but the voice should fit to the script. I want to make a scary story, so I will go with this adult voice.
Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love.
Here you can choose the speed of the voice. I will stay with normal. But if you are making, for example, a funny story, I would change it to fast or super fast if the story is very long. For an AI image story video, the background music is very important. You have a lot of options here. I will go with the criminal background music. But I recommend you add background music directly from the sound library of the app for better results. Also, TikTok doesn't allow background music that is not from their library if it's longer than 1 minute. Now our video is ready. We can let the website create it now. Here you see how many tokens it will cost. It says 1, but because we are using the normal mode. If we use the AI Video Pro mode, it would cost 14 tokens. If you want some free tokens, join the Discord server for more information. The link is in the description. You just need to click here and the video creation will begin. By going to videos, you can see if it is done or not. So when the video creation is over, you can view the video here. If you dislike some images or want to edit parts of the script, you can edit the video. Here you can regenerate images and edit the script. Then you need to regenerate the video. This may cost you tokens. But you can see the token cost here. When the video meets your expectations, you can download it with one click, or you can post it directly to your socials. You need to add your TikTok or YouTube if you haven't already. Then put the title, description, tags, visibility, etc. You can also choose the time when the video should be posted. Everything is automated and you don't need to do anything. So here are 2 examples. This video is in the normal video mode, and this is with the Pro version. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't want to miss updates or need any help with the website, join our Discord. The link is in the description. Want to learn how to create top-notch scripts and produce videos for free without using paid tools like AIcut? Hit that subscribe button now so you never miss out on valuable tips and tricks.